Hey everyone, welcome to LifeThoughtsCamera YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be talking about the crystal nail shiner. I'll tell you what they are, how to use them and maintain them. This is a nail shiner that I'll be using as an example. What is a glass nail shiner? A glass nail shiner is another innovation in the field of nail care. A shiner gives gloss and shine for the nails without the use of any nail polish. This is also a one-step method. Did you see the other innovation that I have already mentioned on my channel? It is a crystal nail filer. Click on the eye icon on the top right corner to see the video. As this video progresses, more such pop-ups might appear. Do check them out for more info. How to use a glass shiner. When I am done with a manicure for my left hand, I finish off by using the shiner for my right hand. Personally, I don't use any nail polish for my right hand for personal reasons. Place the glass nail shiner on the surface of the nail and very gently move it from side to side, just like buffing. Don't forget to do the nail edge. And after every few steps, stop and check if the shine is sufficient. Now I am going to use some nail polish remover and try to remove the shine. As you can see, the shine is still intact. I am doing this to show that this is not some kind of chemical process. I'm quickly going to use the same nail polish remover to remove some nail polish to show you that I'm using nail polish only and not something like plain water. Lifespan of the product. They are supposed to last lifelong. The ingredients. Most of the products have nothing mentioned on them, but it should either be made of tempered glass or clear hard silicone. How to check the quality of the shiner. Check the surface along the file. Run your fingertip like this. You should not feel a bump or a roughness. Inspect the product. You should not see any cracks either. Do they come in different sizes? This is the only size I have found in the Indian market, but different sizes are available internationally. Did you check out my salon style manicure at home video? This is the shiner that I feature in my video. Storage and maintenance. The first tip I will give is to be very careful. Please do not drop them. Also, it is best to store the product in the packaging it came in. Usually, a shiner comes in a plastic storage box. This will prevent it from breaking. I recommend the box itself for storing. After every use, clean the nano surface by placing it under running water and gently rub the entire body. Don't forget to wipe it dry before storage. Since the material of the product is not an absorbing type, sterilizing it after every use is not needed. But if the product is shared by more than one person, it is best to clean it with whatever hand wash, alcohol, or sterilizing spray that you have. Remember to always keep and store the glass shiner without any moisture involved. I keep mine on a shelf inside a closed cover. How long does the effect last? Mine seems to last almost a week. I have to also point out that it also depends on the nail care. Also, if you're interested in lifestyle, do check out my other videos. Now, don't forget to thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!